This is Haskins with the Forex Training Professionals. I'm going to share with you all a very important concept called the London Momentum. Before I go into what the London Momentum is, a little bit of historical backdrop is required. Historically, the London market is perhaps the biggest Forex related market in the world, just because it's right in the center of the world. And it's in the center of Europe. It's basically a bridge between America and Asia. So the most significant market in the world is the London market, and perhaps the most respected traders trade during the London market. During the Eastern market, that's during the Japanese Open, the traders, they do not tend to take a directional bias. Range trading is more popular at that time. Of course, if we have news or if we have some event which has caused the market to go in a particular direction, we do have a directional bias even during Asian session. But the London market is known to have a directional bias, and that's perhaps because when the traders, they come in at about 3 AM EST, they come into the desks, they have a look at what are the technical setups being played in the market, look at the fundamental sentiment of the market, and then they need to place their trades. Even if they do not know which way the direction is going, you need to bear in mind that a lot of traders, they get paid when they generate enough of volume. So all said and done, as a trader with a big hedge fund or with a big bank, it might not be very prudent to tell your bosses that look here, I do not know what's happening in the market and I do not know what to do. We as small little guys can actually do that. I personally do not trade when I do not know what's up in the market, but that's not the case if you're working for a bank or for a hedge fund. You need to appear to be knowing what's going on in the market at all the time, and that's really significant because whatever the technical setups which are most prominent during the London market session, they tend to form a directional bias, and that's established for the rest of the day. So I would say that at 3 o'clock, when the traders, they come in, within an hour or two, between 4:30 or 5 AM EST, you'd see the market tend to make its session high or low, and then go off in one direction for the rest of the London session, right up till 11:30 EST. So now, what exactly is this London momentum which I'm talking about? When there is not a significant amount of news which can mold the market, I like to look at the technical setups in different currency pairs. I like to let the big bosses in London decide which way the market is going, and look at the setups and perhaps trade a breakout or a top formation or a reversal formation based on what the big dogs in London are doing. I've had a decent amount of success with this kind of a trade setup, and I want to share with you all the significance of the London 4:30 to 5 o'clock timing when it comes to trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.